Hello, my name is Diana Noriega Riascos. I am a student in University de UNAT. Today I am going to introduce you to the pronunciations of English soap. The pronunciation of English soap may vary depending on the specific accent or dialect. For example, bowl soap. In English have variety of vulgar soup. Some examples include the vulgar soup in cat, the bowl soup in bed, the vulgar soup in sheep, the vulgar soup in dog, and the vulgar soup in cow. Another could be consonant soup. In English also have variety of consonant soup. Some examples include the consonant B, soup in book, the consonant D. So in dog, the consonant F, so in fish, the consonant K. So in cat, and the consonant C. So in swan, so in swan. And another could be alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech that consists of repeating consonants so the beginning of new big word in English. Alliteration can be used to create poetic or syllabic effects. For example, in the sentence Peter, Piper, pickers, and picker of pickled pepper, the consonant so pip is repeated in several consequent words. Thank you for attention. Until next video.